Nike and Lego just dropped their first ever Lego set, and I got it, so let's check it out. Now, this thing went crazy viral online and ended up selling out in minutes the other day when it released, and this first design is a 1,180 piece set of a pair of dunks with a basketball and the word dunk spelled out on the side that I really wanted to get as a display piece because it's honestly pretty sick. The only problem is I don't think I've built a Lego set since I was a little kid, and after Googling it too, apparently a set like this takes anywhere from like 2 to 4 hours to build, so I'm kind of hoping Nike drops some smaller sets in the future. Nonetheless, had to get this opened up and see what we got inside. So first we get all the pieces in numbered bags and some kind of sleeve with something inside. Get that opened up and it looks like it's the instructions for what I guess is 3 different parts of the full set, including the shoe, the basketball, and the word dunk itself that you can put all together at the end. Now, the really cool thing about this that you can even see on the box is the whole thing kind of has some hidden compartments. So it's not only a cool design that you can display, but it shows that you can even put earbuds or your keys or anything else inside and no one would really know. The little Lego guy can even hide inside the shoe too, along with being able to swap out the laces on the shoe itself that I think will probably connect to other sets that they drop in the future. And the basketball can rotate or be taken on and off. So honestly, I'm kind of impressed with all this, but now I gotta go build it, so follow to stay in the loop.